fix Amazon Kindle Wi-Fi problems won't connect to the internet. So if your Amazon Kindle won't connect to Wi-Fi or is having trouble accessing the internet, there are a few common fixes that you can try. Now, what you can first of all do is swipe your control center and make sure you have not enabled flight mode, because sometimes turning on flight mode might have been causing the issue. So try to look for that and turn off flight mode in this case and see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't help you solve the problem, we have to go to settings. So tap the three dots from here and go to settings, then go to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Then from here, select the particular Wi-Fi network you're having the issue with. Now, what you can do is you can also tap the three dots option and you can try to reset to factory default and reconnect it again to see if that helps you as well. If there is any sort of passwords that you might have saved previously, tap on delete Wi-Fi passwords, and after that try to reconnect using the new password over there as well. If you're still not facing being able to solve the issue, just try to restart your Kindle. So when you come to your settings tab again, what you can do is you can go to device options, and from device options you can scroll down and try to restart your Kindle by tapping the restart toggle here. And you can also try to look for any sort of software updates on your Kindle. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.